that's the last one. So what are you doing? Just chasing the threads?
Yeah, just letting the
oh, that's not a
oil
tap.
creep down in as I go up.
Okay, so that is, you had enough stud to get a hold of with vice grips. What was the technique for the ones that were broken flush? Drill a hole.
Drill a center punch and drill an 1/8 inch hole.
Okay.
And then heat both the stud and the casing.
Okay.
Together.
With a torch.
With a torch, get them real hot.
Okay.
And then hit them with water and air to cool them down, and kind of hit them at different amount of rates at a different amount of time. Let the metals cool differently.
Right. Trying to get it to shrink down.
Yeah, but like one faster than the other because that kind of breaks that oxidation bond.
Right.
Then clean it real good, and then just heat the stud as much as you can until the top kind of gets a little red hot around the drill hole. Then weld the nut to that, and then quench the entire thing again and water and let that.
So it's already theoretically pretty, not real loose, but loosened up. Then you add the nut to it and create a bolt.
You've expanded and contracted enough that it's going to come out. And then quench that, and then dry it enough that you can get oil on it. So as soon as you start backing it out, oil seeps into the thing. And then just do this, just work it back
and then back and forth, letting the oil.
Obviously, if you welded a nut on it, you'd have a socket on it and a ratchet.
Right. And if we knew what we were doing, creating YouTube content, we would show what it was that we were talking about. But that's not how we fucking roll here. So.
Yeah.
All right, that's all you need to know to take care of your 25-year-old engine.